This isn't a movie. This is America in 2050.
Every street is powered by artificial intelligence and smart technology.
Traffic jams are gone. The highways are now in the sky. Launch in 5, 4...
NASA is preparing the next generation to live beyond Earth.
AI doctors can detect diseases within seconds and save millions of lives. Central Park has become a smart green paradise, powered by AI. Robots build flying electric cars faster than ever before.
Hollywood creates movies, where AI actors perform alongside humans.
The Golden Gate Bridge now connects both roads and sky highways. AI police and smart drones keep every neighborhood safer than ever. Las Vegas becomes the world's most futuristic entertainment capital.
Disney creates magical adventures with holograms and AI attractions.
What if Area 51 finally revealed its most advanced future technology? The world's richest people now live in cities above the clouds. Future stadiums use AI to create an unforgettable fan experience.
A holiday on the moon is becoming a dream within reach.
The world's richest people now own private AI-powered islands. AI systems can weaken dangerous hurricanes before they reach the coast. Scientists are exploring ancient DNA to unlock the secrets of extinct species. Underwater cities could become the next frontier of urban living. Millions of intelligent robots now work alongside humans every day. The world's most powerful AI brain processes billions of decisions every day. The Grand Canyon becomes the world's most spectacular sky destination. At night, New York shines brighter than ever with futuristic technology. NASA's first permanent city on Mars is becoming a reality.
Floating cities could solve the future's biggest housing challenges. Brain chip technology could transform how humans interact with computers.
Wireless energy powers homes, vehicles, and entire cities without cables. America's fastest aircraft travels across continents in under 1 hour. Yellowstone's geothermal power supplies clean energy to millions of homes.
Luxury vacations on the moon, the ultimate travel experience.
Would you live in America 2050? Subscribe for the next journey into the future. Every family now has an intelligent AI assistant at home. Underwater highways make ocean travel faster and more exciting.
Flying ambulances reach patients in just a few minutes.
The future begins today. Which country should we explore next? Subscribe to Future Vision TV and join the journey.